Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Jeep Wrangler death wobble. First, understand that death wobble is a severe and dangerous condition where your Jeep's front end shakes violently, often at speeds above 40 miles per hour. It's crucial to address this promptly for your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. We'll start by identifying the most common culprits behind this unsettling experience. Next, let's focus on your tires and wheels. Incorrect tire pressure, especially if uneven, can significantly contribute to the wobble. Carefully inspect your tires for any signs of unusual wear or damage. Also, confirm that all your wheel lug nuts are tightened to the correct specifications, as loose wheels can be a major factor in triggering death wobble. Now we'll move to the steering and suspension system. A common cause is a worn or loose track bar, so check its bushings and mounting bolts carefully. Also, thoroughly inspect your ball joints, tie rod ends, and control arm bushings for any signs of wear, looseness, or damage. These components are critical for stable steering and can easily contribute to the wobble. Finally, once you've identified the problematic components, replace them with quality parts. Sometimes, upgrading to heavy-duty steering and suspension components can offer a more robust and lasting solution. Remember, regular maintenance, including tire rotations and alignment checks, is key to preventing death wobble from returning and keeping your Jeep driving smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.